Hi, today I will be talking a little bit about the grammar concept that I would be teaching. I chose the standard L.K.2, which is demonstrate command of the conventions of standard English capitalization, punctuation, and spelling and writing. My objective is the students will know when to capitalize letters in a sentence at the beginning and how to use punctuation. So I would first start my lesson by asking the students what they know about writing sentences. And some students will have a background in that, but if they don't, we'll talk about it and maybe write a couple of sentences up on the board and ask which one is correct. And then we will talk about how each sentence has to have punctuation and swag. So when we talk about punctuation, I would show them a poster that looks something similar to this, and on this it says, I am for telling, it's a period, I am for yelling, an exclamation point, and I am for asking, it's a question mark. And then I would give the students a couple of examples and ask which punctuation we should use. That way we are reiterating those different kinds of punctuation. And then we would talk about having swag, which is, does your sentence have swag? Starts with a capital, written neatly, a space between the words, and given punctuation. So these are just two posters that I could have hanging up while we do our sentences or our journal work every morning. And to practice these different things, I would have a sentence of the day for students to write down in their journals, and they would have to write the sentence and then write the correct way for the sentence to be written. So if the sentence was, Pam lives in a house, they would need to have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence for Pam, and then also a period at the end of the sentence. And then as we progress, it would get a little bit tougher where there's a name in the middle of the sentence and they have to decide if the name needs capitalized or the word I, those types of things. And we would use that every day in our journal writing, as well as during science time. We often write in another journal for a science journal. So we would be using this often and they would get lots of practice. Thank you.